And here I will change to a tube.
Hi, my name is Maarten Engels and welcome at the stand of Visual Productions at the Prolight+Sound show in Frankfurt. A couple of years ago we developed a software program called Culux. It's cross-platform and runs on Windows, Mac and Linux. And this year we are launching a new program called CueluxPro. It is the big brother of the small Culux. And I would like just to walk you through the main features of the software so you know what we made. In CueluxPro we have our fixtures, but we have a special space for groupings. We now introduce also palettes, which you can use for any attribute, not only position or colors, but any attribute. CueluxPro also has a command line for typing in your selections and commands. And you also see familiar things that you know from Culux, like our playback faders, playback buttons, and our program review. We also have a matrix control in CueluxPro, which is quite an important feature of the software. For the matrix, you can actually operate it as if it was a normal fixture. So you select your matrix and use the program review to select your content. The software is preloaded with various algorithms or patterns, and it gives you many parameters to tweak it. When operating the matrix in a way as if it was a fixture, it's quite fun because it gives you the opportunity to use other functions like shutter or strobing. You can even apply iris effects or zooming to zoom in on your content. Pen tilt we use to move the center effects. And we also have masks. At the moment we're just controlling one layer of the matrix, but the software supports multiple layers. Layers can be on top of each other or next to each other, which is quite fun if you want to control multiple matrices, so you can control them independently. But there's more. We have an editor for editing a timeline, and on the timeline you can position your events, and the events can do anything within the software. So that's ideal for programming an intro show, which might be synchronized by timecodes. We support 70 and MIDI timecode for that. CueluxPro works with the CueCore interface. The CueCore interface is quite a rich interface. It has two DMX outputs, one DMX input. It has a connection for receiving 70 timecodes. It's connected via Ethernet, which means that we have a nice architecture where you can keep adding Q-cores if you want to increase the number of universes. Currently the software supports up to 60 universes, but that's likely to increase later on. It also has MIDI inputs and outputs, digital contacts, which of course if you need more digital contacts you can expand by using an I/O port. The nice thing about the CueCore is that it has very sophisticated standalone capabilities, which makes the CueluxPro an ideal tool to create your lighting scenes and your shows, and then use it as a tool to download this content into the memory of the pupil, which you can then use as a backup lighting scene or just purely standalone. When standalone, you have a completely solid-state solution, and that's very reliable. One of the new features in CueluxPro is that we made the complete user interface for CueluxPro accessible by OSC. So we provide a layout for the Touch OSC app that mimics the complete user interface. We have a page that controls the playback fader section, a page for the playback buttons and even the command line, and a page for the programmer, where you can set all the attributes of the pictures, which makes it a very mobile and ideal remote control for CueluxPro. Okay, thank you for watching. These were the main features. Please keep an eye on our website. We'll post regular updates of the software. It's a free download, so you're very welcome to take it for a test ride.